The Ottocast Mini Cube 3.0 is a compact wireless screen mirroring adapter designed to bring smartphone connectivity to your car's infotainment system without the need for cables. It supports both Android and iOS devices, offering users the ability to mirror navigation apps, media players, and other compatible applications directly to their car's display via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. One of the standout features of the Mini Cube 3.0 is its ease of installation. Simply plug it into your vehicle's USB or HDMI port, connect your phone, and you're ready to go, eliminating the hassle of tangled cables and limiting your phone's physical handling while driving. The device supports protocols such as AirPlay for iPhones and Miracast for Android, making it versatile across various smartphone brands. In terms of performance, many users praise the Mini Cube 3.0 for delivering smooth and relatively lag-free mirroring with decent image quality, allowing for easy access to navigation apps like Google Maps or Waze, music streaming services, and even video playback when the vehicle is stationary. The compact design ensures it doesn't obstruct other controls in the car, and its plug-and-play nature appeals to those looking for a straightforward solution to modernize older car systems. That said, the device isn't without its limitations. Some users report intermittent connectivity drops, especially when switching between apps or after longer usage sessions. Additionally, compatibility can vary significantly depending on the make, model, and year of your vehicle, as well as the smartphone's operating system version. Certain infotainment systems may not support full functionality, and firmware updates from Ottocast may be necessary to address bugs or expand compatibility. Support and documentation from the manufacturer can also be limited, which may leave less tech-savvy users struggling with troubleshooting. Regarding legitimacy, Ottocast is a recognized brand in the automotive tech accessory space, and the Mini Cube 3.0 has garnered generally positive reviews across various e-commerce platforms, indicating it is a genuine product rather than a scam. However, as with any tech purchase, it is crucial to buy from authorized dealers or official channels to avoid counterfeit units or poor quality clones that could cause more harm than good. Overall, the Ottocast Mini Cube 3.0 is a practical and affordable solution for wireless phone mirroring in cars, provided buyers manage expectations around occasional connectivity issues and carefully verify device compatibility before purchase. Thanks for watching our deep dive into the Ottocast Mini Cube 3.0. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest tech reviews and tips. Got questions or personal experience with the Mini Cube? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think. Stay safe on the road and keep your tech smart. See you in the next video.